Unraveling Thoughts, Understanding, Pondering Something. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, pondering something. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to describe a deep, reflective type of thinking. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding this phrase will enrich your English comprehension and expression. So, let's get into the depths of pondering together. To ponder means to think about something carefully, especially before making a decision or reaching a conclusion. It's not just casual thinking. It's a deep, reflective process. Imagine you're trying to solve a complex problem or making a significant life decision. That's when you ponder. The phrase, pondering something, highlights this act of contemplation, often implying a serious, thoughtful approach. To better understand how pondering something is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. She spent the whole afternoon pondering her future, wondering which career path to take. Before answering the question, he paused, clearly pondering the implications of his response. These examples show that when someone is pondering, they're engaged in a process that is both thoughtful and focused on a particular issue or question. Pondering is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows us to weigh our options carefully and consider the possible outcomes of our decisions. Secondly, pondering can lead to greater insight and understanding, helping us solve problems more effectively. It's a skill that enhances critical thinking and decision-making, valuable in both personal and professional contexts. Incorporating pondering something into your English communication can make your language richer and more nuanced. Here are a few tips. Use it when you want to express that you're thinking deeply about a matter. Combine it with questions to invite others to think critically about a topic. For example, have you ever spent time pondering the meaning of life? In writing, it can add depth to your characters or arguments by showing a thoughtful process. We hope this exploration into pondering something has been enlightening. Understanding and using such phrases can significantly enhance your English learning journey, making your communication more profound and thoughtful. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in the details, and phrases like these are the jewels that make your language skills shine. Thank you for joining us today, and happy pondering!